Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Today we are going to have our maths lecture, Primary Mathematics Second Edition for class 2. Before starting our lesson, changing dollars and cent, I just want to tell you that how can we easily convert dollars and cent. Class, $1 is equal to 100 cents. $1 is equal to 100 cents. And in other words, 100 cents make a lot. If you have to convert from dollar to cents, here I have a question, how to convert dollars and cents. Now we are converting dollars into cents, okay? You have to convert from dollars to cents. All you need to do is multiplying that amount should have in dollar by 100, okay? And if you have convert the cents to dollar, you need to divide that amount by 100. So 100 is the conversion factor we're using simply because $1 is equal to 100 cents. Here I have an example for you. In this example, how many cents are there in $2? How many cents are there in $2? Okay. That means you are converting dollars to cents. In order to do that, you need to multiply $2 by 100. Okay. Once you multiply $2 by 100, the answer you get is 200 cents. Another example is how many dollars are there in 400 cents? How many dollars are there in 400 cents? That means you are converting cents into dollar. In order to do that, you need to divide 400 cents by 100. Once you divide 400 cents by 100, the answer you get is $4, okay? $4.00. Open your book, page number 169, lesson 2, changing dollars and cents. Changing dollars and cents. Recap. You can see in this picture there are 10 coins of 10 cents is equal to $1. Okay. It means 100 cents is equal to $1. Okay. 10 cents coins makes $1. Here we have a question. How many 50 cents coins make $1? It means the answer is 2 50 cents coins is equal to $1. Okay. 2 50 cents coin make $1. In focus, you can see here a pen. Junaho can pay for the pen with a $1 coin. Okay. Here a question. Are there other ways to pay for the pen? Yes, we can pay 100 cents or 10 coins of 10 cents. Okay. Because 10 cents coins makes $1. Okay. 10 cents make $1. On to the next page, page number 170. Let's learn. Question number 1. We can change dollars to cents. Okay, we can change dollars to cents. As I said, in $1 there are 10 coins of 10 cents. Okay, $1. Let's see how can. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. 70 plus 10 is equal to 80. 80 plus 10 is equal to 90. And 90 plus 10 is equal to 100. Okay. It means 100 cents is equal to $1. 10 cents coins makes $1. Okay. $1 is equal to 100 cents. Here I have $2. Now we have to convert $2 into cents. Okay. $2. First of all, we have to convert $2 into 1 and $1. Okay. Separate the dollars. 10 coins of 10 cents is equal to $1 and 10 coins of $10 is equal to $1. It means 100 and 100 is equal to 200. Okay. $2 is equal to 200 cents. 20 10 cents coins makes $2. $2 is equal to 200 cents. Here we have a question, how many 10-cent coins makes $10? So the answer is 100 10-cent coins make $10. 100 10-cent coins make $10. Come to the next question. Look at the amount of money. You can see $2, 10 cent and 5 cent. Okay. We have to add cents together. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 cent. Okay. We write it as $2.15 or $2.15. As you know, class, the decimal point separates the dollar and cents. Okay. $2.00 is equal to 200 cents. In $2, there are 200 cents. Okay. And 0.15 is equal to $0.15 is equal to 15 cents. Okay. So $2.15 is equal to 215 cents. Come to the next page, page number 171. Question number 3. We can also change cents to dollars. Cents to dollars. Now we are converting cents to dollars. Look at the coins. You can see there are 2 coins of 50s and 4 coins of 20 and 1 coin of 5 cent. Okay. 100 cents is equal to $1. 50 plus 50 is equal to 100 cents. Okay. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. And 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. Okay. 80 plus 5 cent is equal to 85 cents. Okay. 100 cents plus 85 cents is equal to 185 cents. Okay. And 185 cents is equal to $1, $1.85, $1.85. Okay. Come to the next question. Question number 4. What is the cost of each item? There are 2 items, biscuits and rice. What is the amount of biscuit? Okay. $2 plus $1 is equal to $3. As you know, $3 is equal to 300 cents. Okay. Plus 50 cents. It means 350 cents and $3.50. Okay. The cost of biscuit is $3.50 or 350 cents. You have to write $3.50 and 350 cents. Rice. What is the amount of rice? $5 plus $2 is equal to $7. Okay, $7 is equal to 700 cents. Okay, $7 is equal to 700 cents plus 5 cents is equal to 705 cents. Okay, so you have to write $7.05 or 705 cents. Class, we can write amounts of money in different ways. The packet of biscuits cost $3.50 and the packet of biscuit cost $3.50. Okay, $3.50 is equal to 350 cents. The packet of rice cost $7.05 and the packet of rice cost $7.05. We can write amount of money in different ways. Okay. Yes, it's our activity time class, changing dollars and cents. We have 2 groups, Group A and Group B. Let's start from Group A. How many dollars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Group A has $5. Now Group A convert dollars into cents. Class, whenever we convert dollar into cents, we have to multiply by 100. $5 is equal to cents. Class, we have to multiply by 100. 5 multiply 100 is equal to 500. Okay, it means $5 is equal to 500 cents. Group B, how many dollars are there? 1, 2, 3. Yes, Group B has $3. $3. Now convert $3 into cents. We have to multiply by 100. 3 multiply 100 is equal to 300. It means $3 is equal to 300 cents. Come to the next page, page number 173. Question number 1, write in cents. There are dollars. We have to convert these dollars into cents, okay? Part A, $9.00. It means $9 we have to multiply by 100. Okay, 9 multiplied by 100 is equal to 900 cents. $9 is equal to 900 cents. Part B, $0.60. We have to multiply by 100 to convert dollar into cents. 0.60 multiplied by 100 is equal to 60 cents. Okay. Part C, $4.70 is equal to dash cents. Okay. We have to multiply by 100. 4.70 multiply 100 is equal to 470 cents. $4.70 is equal to 470 cents. Part D, 7.05 multiply 100 is equal to 705 cents. $7.05 is equal to 705 cents. Question number 2, write in dollars. Now we have to convert cents into dollars. There are some cents we have to convert into dollars. Part A, 800 cents. 800 cents we have to divide it by 100. Class, when we converting cents into dollars, we have to divide by 100, okay? 800 cents divided by 100 is equal to 8.0. 800 cents is equal to $8. Part B, 80 cents is equal to dash dollars. We have to divide by 100. 80 cents divided by 100 is equal to 0.80. 80 cents is equal to $0.80. Okay. Part C, 540 cents is equal to dash. We have to divide by 100. 540 cents divided by 100 is equal to $5.40. Okay. 540 cents is equal to $5.40. Part D, 305 cents is equal to dash dollars. Class, we have to divide by 100. 305 cents is equal to $3.05. Question number 3, which item did each child buy? Class, you can see in this picture there are some items. Ice cream, and the cost of ice cream is $2.50. Biscuits, the cost of biscuits is $2.05. Book, the cost of book is 550 cents. Razor, 55 cents. The cost of razor is 55 cents. Okay. Part A, Siddhi paid $5.50 for the dash. You can see $5.5. The cost of book is 5.5 cents. Okay. When we convert cents into dollar, we have to divide by 100. Okay. When we converting cents into dollar, we have to divide by 100. Okay. 550 cents is equal to $5.50. Okay. Siddhi paid $5.50 for the book. B-O-O-K book. You have to write book. Part B, women paid 250 cents for the dash. You can see 250 cents. Class, when we convert cents into dollars, we have to divide. Okay, we have to divide by 100. 2.50. Yes. The cost of ice cream is $2.50. Women paid 250 cents. It means $2.50 for the ice cream. ICEICREAM, ice cream. You have to write ice cream. Class, hope you understand the concept of changing dollars and cents. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.